Hey YouTube, so in this video I just wanted to show y'all how I upgraded my car because obviously, wait, it's not obvious, but I'm just telling y'all, this is a new system that I got inputted into my car. It just had like a regular radio, like the one that comes with the actual car, but I just wanted to upgrade my system, so I bought this radio off of Amazon. It's a 10-inch radio with the screen. It's kind of like, my friends say it's like the Tesla screen. But it's like a big iPad. So this is actually a double DIN radio, which is perfect for my system because I had a double DIN to begin with, a factory radio. And this is a dual electronics double DIN radio that I ordered off of Amazon. I believe it cost me like $260 to be exact. And it took about maybe, I want to say it took about 4 days to get to me, but it was really quick, and I ordered it off Amazon. So I had did some research about this radio prior to getting this specific radio because I just wanted to make sure I had a nice one and it was good. So it is dual double DIN, and I liked it, this one especially, because it did have the volume button, and I noticed the other ones were touch volume, oh, excuse my nail. But it was touch volume, you had to either go up or down on the actual screen or on the buttons next to it, and I didn't like that. I'm not a fan of that because sometimes the buttons take too long for me. I just don't like that. But this is the dual double DIN system, 10-inch, and this is the volume button.
Are you looking for a career in tech but don't know where to start? Generation is a non-profit organization.
So I just wanted to show y'all that. This is what is this? It says no device connected. This is a Bluetooth button actually, and it has 2 little slots right here. This is for your SD. I know some people pre-program music on the SD card, and you can just put that right up on there and it will play. We got mode, volume button, as I told y'all, band, USB. This is also another slot that you can open. You can put that USB in there. It's kind of a little hard to close me right now because my nail is broke, but that's how you close that. This is the home button. It'll bring me to the home. Right now the system's on radio, and I really particularly like this one because I was looking for CarPlay, and I have an iPhone, so I like CarPlay. So I just wanted to show y'all a little bit about how it goes. So this is the home button. If we press the home button, we have many options. We got radio, USB, micro SD, which are the slots that I've shown y'all down here. We have CarPlay. CarPlay is not hooked up right now because my phone's not plugged in, but I will show y'all that. On this side, if you just swipe this way, I swiped the time. If you just swipe this way, now you have Android Auto. For those of you who have Android phones, you can hook that up too, and it'll work just like how CarPlay works, but it's for the Android. This is for Bluetooth phones. So what I found with it, so what I found with the Bluetooth phones, let me go back. There we go. So with the Bluetooth phones, it's just for calls. So incoming calls, if you don't want to have it connected to your music or anything, you can just do the calls. I also connect my phone through Bluetooth audio, which is this button. Oh my gosh, I keep tapping in, my bad, it's my nails. But I also have Bluetooth audio, which connects my music as well if I don't want to use CarPlay. It has AV in and out, which I believe I have in my, what box is this called right here? Right here. AV in and out is for, oh, keep going back. But anyways, AV in and out is for your aux cord, basically, if you want to connect anything like that. There's no little video thing right here. I thought that was a video originally. I'm like, oh, I can play movies, but I'm not sure. Maybe you can, if you can install additional apps. I haven't tried, but I'm gonna show y'all the CarPlay cord. So this is the CarPlay cord that comes with it. I noticed with all cars that have CarPlay, they come with the cord. You can't just manually hook it up through Bluetooth and expect CarPlay to work. You have to plug it in. Even in cars I've had before, they've had the USB, how it has it right here, and you just plug it in here and CarPlay hooks up like that. Awesome. Or sometimes it used to be a little shaky, so I'm not a fan of that. But now I want to show you how CarPlay works, because this is the main reason why I bought this system. So this is the cord. We're going to connect this cord. Okay, so now we have the cord connected. So it automatically takes you into CarPlay once you do that. So here I'm going to show y'all real quick. It shows, I don't want to show my location, so just really quick, it shows the maps, it shows like the video and stuff, and it shows like if you have any audio playing. So now, these are the apps it offers on mine. These already came pre-programmed. These are not apps I had to install or anything. These are just apps that came with the regular CarPlay. It has phone, maps, messages. This is your app. Sorry, I was getting a phone call. But this is the dual system. These are podcasts, audiobooks, calendars, the regular stuff. Settings, Google Maps, it pops up as well. These are audiobooks. These are just little tabs right here. These right here are the settings. You can swipe back and forth. It's really easy. I really like it because when I hook up my music, if I can show y'all, let me see if I can show y'all how I play the music and if it comes up. Watch, I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. Okay, so now I've connected my music from SoundCloud, which is the app I use for my music. I know some people have it on, like, I don't know what it's called. Some people play it on Apple. What is it called? The Apple Store that has the music, Apple Music or whatever. But I use SoundCloud. I don't use any of the other stuff. I know some people have Amazon Music, which I have never tried. But so for mine, you would just swipe this way. So we've clicked on it. So now, as you can see, the song came up as the whole screen, which I really like because now you can play, reverse it, fast forward or whatever. You can't really do anything on this bar, which I tried, like to speed it up or to bring it back, like, you know what I'm saying, backwards and forward, but that doesn't work. That's just me getting a little carried away. But now I'm gonna just play it for y'all so y'all can see, and just let it play and see if it plays. So it actually won't let me play because I'm recording with my phone. It won't let me play, but I wanted to let y'all know as well. I found that using CarPlay, when you're playing the music, it's much louder than just using Bluetooth. Because if you just use Bluetooth, like, let me see if I can do Bluetooth actually. Let me give y'all an example of Bluetooth. Oh, not sure my location. It's talking about home, like that's where I live for real, like whatever. Let me show y'all CarPlay. Now I got Bluetooth hooked up already, so we're just gonna click Bluetooth. Go to Bluetooth. So it's actually not letting me play Bluetooth too while I'm recording on my phone, because I guess you can't have multiple apps streaming on the Apple, which I don't like, because I found on the Android it actually lets you do multiple things at once. So that would be a downplay just for me, because I'm just trying to show y'all the video right now. But I just want to let y'all know that Bluetooth audio is lower in sound for some reason than CarPlay, because when the phone is actually connected, the sound system is way louder. Not that it's not loud on Bluetooth, but like on CarPlay it's really loud. Like you don't even have to turn the volume all the way up. Sometimes on Bluetooth I end up turning my volume all the way up, but it might just be my device. I'm not sure about that. But these are some of the settings. Like right now, this is the home screen. So if we want to go back to the home screen, we can press that. It's the Bluetooth right here in the corner. These are the brightness settings. Oh, also, I did want to show y'all. See how that went dark? So now we got a backlight. And it does move forward and backwards. You see how that goes? And at first I was a little nervous because I'm like, I have this system by my vents. And I'm like, will that affect my vents in any kind of way? And it doesn't. The vents doesn't affect it in any way. I've used the AC. It doesn't affect it. It doesn't make it cold or anything. I've used the heat. It hasn't affected it. I really like this screen. I enjoy this screen. It gives me multiple options. And it's connectable with many different devices. I was doing a lot of research on this at first because, like I said, I paid, I think, like $250, $260 for this. So this was like a little investment for me. And plus, I don't know anything about systems. And then I ordered it from Amazon. So in order to get this set up, this is a double din radio, as I mentioned before. So you do need double din to fit in here, and the kit that goes with it. I believe I brought 3 things to get this installed besides this radio. I had to buy the kit. I had to buy some type of cords. I'll show y'all because I actually have the receipt and everything for that. But I took it to somebody to get it installed. He only charged me about $69, $70 to get it installed because I had to buy all the pieces myself. He didn't have them on hand. But it was really easy for me because There was a radio store down the street, and they had everything I needed for this specific model car. And you see how it's flushed? I really like that because I didn't want anything to be like bulky or coming out or looking like crazy. And it's a perfect system. I really love it. I'm happy that I decided to get this home button right here. Bring us back up here. It slide. I seen some reviews on this, and I seen people say they had lines in their screen. I don't have any lines. The only lines y'all will see right now is the glare I'm getting from my air fresheners. But I didn't have any lines at all. Like, at all. I did not have that problem. So I'm not sure what that problem was. And I know some people said the CarPlay wasn't hooking up properly. It wasn't working. And what I found the issue with that was that you have to use an original Apple cord. But Apple's always been funny like that. If you don't use their cord, a lot of their stuff doesn't work properly. Or like the phone will say charging not detected. Or if you know you had like a cheaper iPhone cord that's not Apple, then you know. It starts saying like iPhone accessory not supported. Things like that. But when I use the regular Apple cord, it hooks up right away. It's perfect. It gives me no problems. It gives me no problems at all. Only thing I haven't figured out yet is how to wire this cord. I think I'm gonna like kind of line it up over here on the system and like tape it to the side so it's not kind of in my way. But besides that, I really have no complaints. For my Bluetooth on my phone, like Bluetooth phone right here, see it comes up as a keypad, so you can dial any number you want. You go to contacts, call logs, music, setup, devices, same thing. Devices is if you want to switch the device. And let me show y'all how I got my Bluetooth audio connected, because when you're on a call, I always thought like, is it coming through here? Like, how are they supposed to hear you? But I actually have a system that's set up, and they actually wrapped it around my car. So right here, the cord is coming through, and this is the little Bluetooth speaker. So this is where they're hearing me from. When the phone calls come through, they're hearing me from right here. Excuse my windshield is dirty. But this is where they call me from. I can hear it here. I speak here. I don't necessarily speak here, but this picks up the sound. And I don't have no problems with that, besides that the fact that the phone calls are loud. Like when you call somebody and you can hear somebody else in their call on a Bluetooth phone and you can hear everything the other person is saying. I hate that. I don't like that. So that's why I don't use Bluetooth phone. But automatically when I hook up my Bluetooth audio, the phone is connected because Bluetooth is on, obviously. But besides that, I really like it. If anybody else has this system, let me know. I know this time is probably wrong, or is it right? I know this date is wrong. It's talking about January 20th. But besides that, if anyone else has this system, let me know what y'all think about this. And let me know, can y'all download apps on this? Because I'm really interested in that. I wouldn't mind downloading some apps. Like, I feel like the screen is big enough. If it would have let me download YouTube, that would be awesome. But I don't even care at the same time. I'm happy with CarPlay. My CarPlay is hitting. And everybody that sees this screen, they like this screen. I haven't scratched my screen or nothing. And just in case y'all were wondering, because of my nails or nothing, I don't have any problems with this screen at all. I don't have any lines in my screen. The install was perfect. It moves on a tilt like this, just so y'all can see. Yeah, but besides that, I don't really use these buttons because it's a touch screen. I know some people prefer to use the buttons, but I just don't. I use a touch screen. All I use is the volume, which is very helpful to me. Very helpful to me because, like I said, I don't want to be over here tapping like up, down. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And it is a huge screen. It's 10-inch screen, so it's very iPad-like. It's very iPad-like. It's not flushed in here completely, and I like that it's separate from the component because, like I told y'all, your girl likes her volume button. But yeah, guys, let me know what y'all think about this. Let me know if y'all have this system. I know a lot of people have this system in an older car. My car is not that old, so people probably like, oh, but why'd you get this one? Just because I'm doing my own thing. I did my own research. I looked on Amazon. I seen how this was looking in a lot of people's system, but I liked it. I looked on YouTube as well. A lot of different double-din systems like this with a 10-inch screen. I know they have the Jensen one, which I was also looking at. But this one is my preferred screen. I really like this one. I'm happy with this one. I'm glad I got it. It hasn't given me any problems. It hooks up right away. It's loud. I love it. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you purchase this radio as well. And yeah, I'll see y'all in a different video.